And now for your satin clean skin and makeup. A clean look makeup to bring out all your natural feminine beauty. The use of lipsticks is one of the greatest tests in your artistry and good taste in using makeup. For the cleanest, most natural line, use a brush, a little patience and a little practice, and you'll be an expert. Fill the brush with color. As always, you can check color by effect. Do you notice the lips themselves, or do you say, there is a lovely woman? Trace a clean, unexaggerated line, staying as close to the natural line as possible. If lips are too thin, fill right out to the outermost edge of the line. If too full, stop within the line. Brush in lipstick, filling the line right out to the corner. Your 1, 2, 3 beauty plan completed. It's shining beauty naturally emphasized with a natural makeup.